All right, exciting. Here we are with Yanis, and we are going to publish the code by DReaM-ALD-Arts, which Yanis has prepared nicely in GitHub. And what I have done, I have logged in GitHub and in zenolo.org and not done anything else beyond that. So, where do I need to go?
All right, so I would recommend maybe we first create actually the new target repository. So maybe we can go to our organization. So yeah, just,
I need to find it somewhere here.
There, and then view organization, and then repositories, and new repository. All right, then we can give the information.
And you had a name for it. You know what it's called.
DRM-ALD-Arts, right? And I would put it in lowercase letters because that's how usually people do it. So
DRM-ALD-Arts. Are you sure it was like this? Do we need to check?
We can check. We can check.
Yes.
I think we can actually just go, if you open a new tab for GitHub, and then we can just see what the draft one says. So
here, go here, and was it the view organization? And repositories, and here, draft arts et al. Model. Shall I click this?
Yes. Yeah, so here it is, DRM-ALD-Arts.
Yes, all of it small. Good.
Yeah.
Diffusion reaction model for, yes, good.
Yeah, you can actually leave this tab open.
Yes, that's good, because we are, so this is a draft that has been created privately by you, and this DReaM-ALD-Arts has also checked it, and now we are going to copy this to a new, how is it called? Repository, so that the editing, what's done here, will not be seen, but just like the clean version, right?
Yes.
Yes, so it's a kind of a safe way to work with this, which we should probably do in the group in the future as well.
Actually, before you switch, you can actually copy maybe the first sentence of the project description, so we can,
first sentence only.
Yeah, I think that's enough. So then we can go to the new one
here,
and then we can put it in the description as well. So
like that.
Yeah, and it's DRM-ALD-Arts, right? That's the correct way.
DRM-ALD-Arts and public.
Yep.
Right away, public.
And don't add a README file because we've already created one. And we don't need to git ignore.
Wait, okay. Yes. Okay, not that.
Yeah. And the license we don't need to choose because it will detect it when we put it there.
Because we are going to somehow copy the other one here.
Yeah, we will copy almost everything from the other one.
And
so
if I would choose, it would be the MIT license, because that's what we have been choosing and agreeing with Karsten. So now am I just going to click create repository?
Yes. All right. So now we need to get the files from the draft repository.
Yes.
So if we go to the other tab,
this one,
and then click on code, it's like the green button.
Here.
Yep. And then on download zip.
Ooh.
So this will now download all of the files from the repository into a zip folder.
Okay.
So now you can perhaps open it in Explorer or show in folder.
Yes.
And you can extract.
Ooh, now this is going on tape. All right.
Maybe we can censor it.
This.
Yeah, and then you can.
So much.
Then you can close this.
Oh, yes.
And now we can go to the new repository.
Here.
And then.
Is it this import code or? No.
There it is. Uploading an existing file.
This.
That one.
That.
Yeah. So now you can open this folder here. And then we need to upload all of them except for a citation.
Okay.
Because it's not ready yet, so.
These.
Yeah.
This.
Yes. So we have the license, the model, and the README. and then you can write here where it says add files via upload. There you can write, for example, initialized repository or something like that.
I write what you say, but I actually don't understand.
Well, it's kind of just for others to let you know what you actually did.
Okay.
What the change was actually.
Okay.
You can
All
also
right.
say
So now we initialize the repository.
Yeah, it doesn't
okay.
matter. It's
okay.
just for information. So.
All right.
Yeah. Then just commit. And let's see. All right. So now we have this public repository.
Wow, it's public right now.
Yes.
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 I think previous time we made this still private, and then only in the end we made it public. But nobody knows. Nobody cares.
I
right?
mean,
nobody's gonna use anything with this before we.
Yeah, and if we would have made it private, we would now flip it to public. So there's like no changes needed now in this case. So you can just scroll down and see, but it should be like exactly the same as the other one. So.
And these are all texts that you have prepared.
Yes.
Everything.
And this is also what Karsten looked through. And
yes. And usage publications. And these publications have used this
code.
Actually, there is still one that has, we have used it in our paper as well. So maybe we can add that then later, but now not, because these are actually papers where Karsten has used it, but we have used it for Jihong's second paper as well.
Yeah, we can add it.
Yes,
maybe
but later. Yes. All right, please cite this way, and the related yes, and this is indeed diffusion reaction model by Youngwas, Gill, and Elam, indeed. And then the model. So it's just one file
it seems
there.
Actually, that one file did not transfer for some reason.
Yeah.
So maybe
this Zenodo.
Yeah, maybe we can go to add file and upload files.
Okay.
And then just upload the Zenodo file.
This.
Yeah. Then you can just write maybe added Zenodo file. No, wait a second. This file is hidden.
Maybe
actually
it's there.
Cancel. Yeah. Why doesn't it show up? Because it should. Because in the older one it did show.
Let's see.
Okay, I would say we can do it also another way. So if you just go to add file and create a new file and then type as the name .zenodo.json.
Sorry, where's the name?
Up there.
Here.
So the same one.
.zenodo.json.
And then we can just like copy the content.
Yes, so I'm gonna open this.
You have to select the just right click and then edit with Notepad++.
Oh, okay.
All right.
And then just copy paste everything.
Yeah. All right.
Like this.
And then
okay.
I think create.zenodo is quite okay. So we can
you have done this all as requested by Karsten. Yes. All right. There's even a preview.
Well, it looks the same.
Yes, here it does. Okay, so commit new file.
Yes. Okay, now it's showing up. Good.
Yes. But then there might be a hidden file somewhere with the same name. That's a mystery here.
I don't think that's possible. I don't know what actually happened, but let's hope that nothing bad happened.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So now we can maybe sync it to Zenodo.
Yes.
So if we go to Zenodo then, and then we need to go to your here.
Where? Here?
And yes, and GitHub. And then here is the DRM-ALD-Arts.
Right, so this we already did. That was our first thing, and now here, switch it on.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. And then sync now. up here.
That.
Yeah. All right, now it's enabled.
And if there would have been some updates to this, would they now also come?
So Zenodo will only make a new deposit, so update the old deposit when you create a release on GitHub. So if you make some changes on GitHub, they will not show. But then when you make a new release, you will get a new version on Zenodo.
All right, so now it's syncing and
now we go to GitHub and create the first release.
Okay, so there's no DOI seen here because we haven't created any release.
Yes.
That's it, so we go to here.
This is the public one, and then create a new release.
Here.
Yeah. And I would say we have to choose the tag. So here I would put in, for example, this v1.0.0. It's like a common. Yeah. And then create.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Create a new tag.
Yes. v1.0.0. And
release title.
I think here we could add the project description maybe as a description for the release. I can't quite remember what we did with the other one.
I think we copied the whole description. So what if I just I'll go like this and I'll open another tab like this. Of course, it would have been also in this draft, by the way. So I think that we copied this whole thing previous time.
Yeah.
It was quite all right. And then we said that it's the original release, I think. Shall we have a look in Zenodo?
Yeah, we can check what we actually wrote there.
Then I need to find my, so that's called DReaM-ALD. Can I find it back like this?
There it is.
This is the first public release. I think we'll make a similar thing. That was quite well thought. This is the first public release of the, now we'll write it with big letters, DRM-ALD-Arts code. This is how it is.
And then the release title, I'm not sure what we put there.
Can we see it here? I think this
maybe
is
it's
just the name.
It's not this one, right? Version 1.
It's this. That's the title. That's the same title. So we were using just this.
Apparently so,
yes. And I think it works fine. Yeah. That can't go very wrong.
Yeah. Or actually, but if you make a new release, you can't use the same title probably.
I don't know.
I think this title does not come from the release title.
No.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have any release title.
Because I've defined this release title, or like this title I've defined elsewhere, so I don't think it comes.
What if we leave it then?
Yeah, or it suggested just the DRM-ALD-Arts be 1.0.0. So
that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, it suggested that.
I think so, yeah.
And now be 1.0. Like
that. Let's try this one.
That's also clear.
Yeah.
Yes. And
then publish release.
Do we dare to do that right away? I guess yes.
Yeah, why not? All right. So now we should be able to go to Zenodo.
And now it has created a DOI, has it?
Yes, so if we go to
Oh yes, no, this was in getting mixed up. This is in GitHub, and now we go to Zenodo.
Yeah, and then if you're sync now.
Again, click this sync now.
I don't know if it's needed, but it will update this. So.
Wow, there's the DOI.
You can click on this one, so we can.
Any of
the
those.
lower one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, actually
No,
it's the upper one. Then.
This.
And then perhaps here as well.
This.
Yeah. Okay, how do we actually get to the Zenodo page now? Maybe if you just click on the badge, but it only gives us like the code for it.
I'm sorry, badge. What's the badge?
Can you just click here, perhaps, and then...
Here?
Yeah, and then like, where can we see like your deposits, like what you've deposited on Zenodo?
Let's try the profile.
No.
No.
Maybe just...
Home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be logical.
Maybe we will just...
Well, let's see. Upload. This is my uploads.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's still uppermost one.
Yes.
So if you click on that, perhaps we can get...
This.
Yeah. Ah, here it is.
Ah. All right. It has the full title.
Yes.
Look at that. Good. And that's the name we gave. Yeah.
Yeah, so it goes there basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you have the DOI over here.
Yes.
And if we want to, we can now also update the citation file.
Yes.
Perhaps.
I will copy this or...
Yeah, so in the citation file we have actually like spots for both of these. So if you now open the citation file using the Notepad++, you have to...
No.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. So here you can see we have here the both like DOI, concept DOI, and then the version DOI.
Type. I'm sorry now, I didn't follow you completely, so say again.
So here we have DOI for the concept of the work, and then also the DOI for specifically version 1.0.0 of the work.
Oh,
so
yeah,
here
right.
in this value, after the value, we need to paste the DOIs for both of these.
Okay, and which one did I now copy? Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. So here we have, that's that like the site all versions, and then this is for this version.
Yeah, and now copy it just as text, so not as a link, but just as text.
This is now version, this version, so it goes here.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And then the other one.
And then, wait, this one.
That's the concept.
That's the concept, and there is a point in the end that I need to delete, I think.
Yes.
Like that.
You can remove the point. And then we just need to check that the format is the same as in the published one. So if you go to GitHub and look for our the DReaM-ALD one, then we can just compare and make sure that it's the same format. So
this is now. I'm gonna.
You can.
I will open one more GitHub thingy and.
Yeah, and you can easily find it here if you click on this one.
Here.
And repositories.
Oh.
And then the organization again, we get it's under there.
Yes.
And then repositories. And then DReaM-ALD.
Click this.
And then we can open the citation file. So you can just click on it. Now we can see here actually, yeah, the DOIs are in this format.
Yes.
So without the link and without any like parentheses or whatever. So,
right. Okay.
Yeah. So now we can save this one.
Save.
And then you can close this Notepad program.
So Control Save did the job I expect.
Yes.
Yes.
And then we again go to the published GitHub page. This one. Then go click on this one.
Sorry.
On this DReaM-ALD-Arts here. So we get to like the front page. And then add file.
This one.
And upload. And then we can upload now the citation files.
This
one. All right, and then
commit.
Yeah, you can
changes.
write if you want, maybe added citation file. I don't know. Yeah.
I do what you tell me to do.
Yeah, and
commit changes.
Yes. All right, and now we can see that here on the right-hand side, this button appeared. So if you click on it, it will now give the citation, and also you can get it as BibTeX. So, and yeah, this can like be imported in many different programs. This citation file,
Yes.
so you get
Very
all the
nice.
information, and the DOI as well. And now one more thing, if we want to do, actually two more things, we can add here this DOI badge.
Yes, that's indeed.
And also we can add it in the please cite as section.
Yes. Okay. How do we here?
Yes.
Edit.
Maybe we can first add it here in the please cite as. So if we go lower and here.
Please cite
so
as.
I would add DOI here after
here
this.
in the end.
Yeah, as a link maybe. So when you want to create a link, just press space and then put in square brackets immediately followed by these round brackets. So first followed by them. So not within each other, but like yeah, and then the round ones exactly like this. Yeah.
Oh.
Now we can go and copy the DOI link from Zenodo. Let's see this. No, the other one. This one. Yep.
Yes.
And I think we could probably use the versioned one.
Okay.
I mean, it's maybe a... Yeah, let's use the versioned one so we can copy that. And then we can paste it in both of these.
The space away.
Yeah, yeah. And now it's not yet a link because it's just the DOI. We need to also add like the this.
Where do I add it? In which one or in both?
I would add it in both maybe.
Okay.
So we can copy from here actually, or you can just type it.
Like that.
Yeah, and then the S HTTPS. Yeah.
And here.
Yeah. If you want, we can test it in the preview that actually works. It was this one.
Citing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall I?
Yeah, open in a new tab. And yeah, it goes to Zenodo.
Yes, very good.
Maybe we can, yeah, add a dot here because in the other ones I've added the dot at the end.
Okay. So I was here editing, so that then comes after here.
There, yeah. All right.
And that's it.
Yeah,
okay.
And then we can add the badge as well. So if you scroll up.
Here somewhere.
I've left the space here for it.
Yes.
So we can go to Zenodo now.
It's this.
Yes. And then click on this badge here.
This?
Yes.
Click.
Click, yeah.
Ooh.
And then here this HTML. The whole line.
Copy it.
Yeah.
Oh,
no.
That did not work. I did something stupid again. So it was this HTML.
Yeah,
thing.
we just start like selecting it from the beginning.
That's the beginning.
Yeah, all right.
And copy.
Yep, and then just paste it where we want it, so there. All right. So I think this is maybe enough for now. We can of course add other batches if we want, but
okay. And then
maybe in the upper one I would type it. So
here.
Yeah, add it DOI, maybe just. That's fine.
That's it.
Yeah.
Commit changes.
Yes. Now you can also try clicking on it and see if we actually get to the... Yeah, it works.
Again. Yes.
I think that's probably everything then.
But the contributors. This is now, at the moment, Am I the only one who have contributed to this file? Wow.
Well, the contributors are determined by which account has made these changes.
Okay, but who can now edit this? Or how does the editing go? Because also Karsten had the question, like if there would be something that needs to be changed, how can it? That can of course be updated here.
Yeah,
but do I need to now give someone some rights?
I think probably all of the members of the Purunen organization can probably edit, but you can check I think in the settings, it's probably there, and then collaborators and teams. Type your password.
Yeah, let's see. I'm guessing. Yes.
Yeah. And
you haven't added any teams or people.
I think this one is base role if you click on manage.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you go to the like top, here it says base permissions to organizations repositories apply to all members and excludes outside collaborators.
And now Karsten is a member.
Yeah,
right?
But they only have read. So everyone who's a member of the organization, the ALD Purunen organization, can only see the repositories, but they can't edit them.
Yes. So this means that when we were preparing this as a private one, then also Karsten was able to read, but not modify at that point anything. Okay.
Yeah. So now we have two options. So we can either decide that in the ALD Purunen organization, every member can edit all repositories, or we can do it on like a case-by-case basis.
I think that it's safer, at least in the beginning, to do it case-by-case.
Yeah. So then you can just go back from the arrow.
Here.
Yeah. And then here, manage access, add people.
And this is now, to this one. Add people.
Now you can just Karsten.
This was Karsten.
I think so, yeah. Then, so it would be either
maintain or even admin.
Yeah.
I mean, it's his file.
I would put admin probably.
Yes, to this one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. He has full access.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now remember that I cannot edit this yet, so I don't have other access then. Just
I will give you access.
Yeah, you can add. Yeah.
Yes. And then, how did it add people?
Yeah, add people. And then I think it's Janis Jarvi maybe. It's the black one.
And also admin for this one.
That's fine.
Yes. So now there are 3 who can do everything.
Yeah.
And for the other one then, there it's you and me and...
Jorge can also do everything.
Okay.
He's, I think, an owner. So.
But for this, Jorge cannot.
He can also.
Yes, because he's an owner of the whole
organization. Just like you.
Yes, right. Okay, but I guess this is then ready?
Yes.
Okay, I think that this became a really valuable document and
teaching
video.
Some like twists and turns. Maybe,
yes, some realistic ones. Yes.
Yeah.
And I think it might be really interesting also to Karsten to look through what we did.
Yes, perhaps.
So I'm going to stop recording, and I hope that this recording went okay. It doesn't always work well, so that's exciting.